Hi, this is Michael at Data G, and today we are going to open up this brand new Bark River Bravo EDC. Bravo EDC we just got, and what we're going to do is we're going to show how we can make a brand new sharp knife from Bark River even sharper with our shark tooth compound. So this is a Bravo EDC. And I'm actually opening it for the first time. And look at that. In burgundy with the ramp. And it's just simply a beautiful knife. Very sharp. So we're going to take a piece of paper. And we're going to move our little fish away. This is our sharpening compound right here, little fish. And we're going to hit it without the strop first so that we can get an idea of how this knife works. And then we're going to try with the strop after. Alright, look at that. That is really good. Very good. Yeah, they outdid themselves in sharpness. Very nice. And we're just going to keep on cutting. And we're going to cut some small pieces. Very sharp. Very good. Now we're going to hit it a few times. We're just going to hit it 3 times on each side. Okay. And now we're going to try it some more. As you can see, it's actually a little quieter. Now let's hit it some more. Now remember, this knife came out of the box exceedingly sharp. All we're doing is just touching it a few times with our strop, and it's already loaded with the shark tooth compound, because we want to see if we can get it even sharper. So let's use the other side now. Very good. But I think with our sharpening compound, using it only just a few times, it's a little quieter and still a little sharper. And let's go some more. As you can see, it is getting quieter. But I hand it to the guys at Bark River. They do a great job. Look at that. It's just catching the paper. Now, I wasn't doing that before. I tried to do that before, but it wasn't catching. So it's catching on the curvature. So yeah, definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. And we're talking about Bark River, who really knows how to sharpen their knives. They do a fantastic job. I have other Bark River knives, which I use. Here's my Woodland. And this one also I had sharpened. And this one's even quieter. And this just catches everything. Anywhere you touch it, it wants to just cut and cut and cut. So, there you have it. Bark River sharpened out of the box, and we were able to make it a little sharper with just a few pulls on the strop. Hope you enjoyed the video, and God bless.